SioGreen Tankless Water Heaters are the perfect balance of green technology, performance, and reliability. These units can be installed in your garage, closet, and even under your sink. Before installing your water heater, make sure you have purchased the right unit for your needs. Visit SioGreenUSA.com to find out what size water heater is right for you. Please do not attempt to install the water heater yourself. The purpose of this video is to help guide your plumber, electrician, or contractor through the installation process. In addition to the parts included with your water heater, additional parts and tools may be required. The breaker must remain off until installation is complete. Let's get started. Find a suitable location on the wall where the old water heater was located. The unit will need to be mounted vertically. Leave a minimum of 6 inches of clear wall space on both sides and 12 inches on the top and bottom of the unit for clearance and maintenance. Securely mount the new water heater to the wall with the supplied screws and anchors, or something stronger. The plumbing connections are 3/4 inch NPT. Apply Teflon tape to the cold inlet and hot outlet. Then install a shutoff valve on the cold inlet. The shutoff valve will turn off the water supply to the unit, while you can still have running water for the remainder of your house. After you have connected and secured all your plumbing, turn on the hot water tap and purge all the air from the water heater. Make sure there are no leaks. If the unit is leaking, check all the connections and make sure the plumbing is secure before moving on to the next step. Double-check the breakers are off before doing any wiring. These units will require 2 sets of wire, 2 breakers, and a minimum of 1 ground wire. After installing the new breakers, connect the ground wire from the ground bar to the ground of the water heater. Connect the electrical lines accordingly from the electrical panel to the water heater. The white wires connect to line 1 and the black wires to line 2. Please note, if the electrical lines are not connected correctly, the system will not activate. Please make sure each line from the panel breaker to the unit breaker matches. After the electrical and plumbing have been installed, double-check your installation to make sure everything is tight and secure. Switch on the breaker in your water heater and install the cover by connecting the LED panel to the circuit board and fastening the screws in place. Your installation is now complete. Time to activate your water heater. Switch the power on from your breaker panel. Then press the power button on your water heater. Turn on the hot water tap. The temperature display will be read in Fahrenheit. You can control the temperature with the up and down arrows. Up will increase the temperature. Down will decrease the temperature. Register your warranty at siogreenusa.com/support/warranty-registration. If you have any additional questions, please visit siogreenusa.com for contact information. Thank you for choosing SioGreen Tankless Water Heaters.